the ID.
She's good.
ID checks out. She's good.
It's okay. I'm like you.
Lester, it's Nico. We got her. We're getting out of here.
We're going home.
She's addicted to the artery, like it was an IV. It's all about the money. You think she wasn't ugly? She can barely
Lester, I hope this finds you well, man.
give it to me.
Sarah says hi. It's been 3 months. Feels like 3 years. And the air out here, you wouldn't believe it. I can breathe again. I wanted to thank you for helping us get out, and for helping a kid who lost everything find a purpose. You know, I realize now we weren't just delivering packages. We were delivering hope.
Harland and Griffin were reportedly selling illegal immunity bracelets to wealthy buyers on the west side. And in a stunning revelation, Griffin's own wife and a popular online streamer who had evidence of the crimes worked together to expose the conspiracy.
Always hiding all your problems. You never try to solve them.
Mom? Yeah.
You're tricking them with
Where's Marie? She went home to her family.
she can barely give it to me.
It's a good thing.
It's only rarely that I'm the only. These eyes I see you and you're leaving.
I hope that one day we can open our doors, walk outside, and get back to the things we love.
These eyes I see you and you're leaving me with the weight of the world. These eyes I see you and you're leaving me.
Man, I miss the ocean. This is incredible.
I don't know how many packages we delivered together, but now I'm sending you one. And whatever you decide to do with what's inside, promise me one thing. Don't ever give up.